Good morning everybody. So we are doing the exercise 1.1. We completed the question number 1. So we will start the question number 2 today. Yeah, read the question. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. Now, what was his total score at the end? At the end. So, what are the given scores? Given scores are 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. Am I right here? Yes. Now, marks obtained for correct answers. Marks obtained for correct answers. Marks obtained for correct answers, that is equal to positive marks. That is positive marks for correct answers. So 25, 15 and 10. 25 plus 15 plus 10, which is equal to 25 plus 15 is 40. 40 plus 10 is how much dear? 50. Am I right? Now, marks obtained for incorrect answers. Marks obtained for incorrect answers. Marks obtained for incorrect answers, that is equal to minus 5 plus minus 10. So, which is equal to minus 15. Minus 15. Now, what is the question for you? What was the total score obtained by Jacks? Am I right? So, total marks, that is equal to that marks obtained for the correct answers, that is 50, and the marks obtained for the incorrect answer is what? Minus 15. So, how will you add a positive integer and negative integer? Yes, subtract the smaller number from the greater number and give the greater number sign. That is 50 minus 15 is 35, greater number sign is so plus 35. So he scored plus 35 marks. He scored plus 35 marks. Are you getting there? Yes. Shall we move to the next question now? Yeah. Look at the third question now. Look at the third question now. The given question is, at Srinagar, temperature was 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Then what was the temperature on this day? Read carefully. At Srinagar, the temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday. So, initial temperature on Srinagar on Monday, initial temperature at Srinagar on Monday. On Monday, how much it is given here? Minus 5 degrees Celsius. Am I right? What it is given? Minus 5 degree Celsius. Yes. Then again, temperature on Tuesday. That means what? Again it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. Dropped by 2 degrees Celsius means again it's going down. That is temperature on Tuesday. Temperature on Tuesday, that is minus 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. Am I right? Initially on Monday it was minus 5 degrees Celsius, then again it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So minus 2 degrees Celsius, then minus 5 minus 2, that means minus 7 degrees Celsius. How will you add two negative integer? Add them as a natural and give the same sign. Yes dear. Then again, temperature was increased by 4 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. Temperature was increased by 4 degrees Celsius. Temperature was increased by 4 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. Therefore, the temperature on Wednesday that is equal to minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius. That means, how will you add a positive integer and negative integer? Yes, ignore the sign, subtract the smaller number from the greater number and give the greater number sign. That means minus 3 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature on Wednesday. This is the temperature on Wednesday. Are you getting dear? Yes. Now, shall we move to the next question now? Yeah. Look at the question number 4 now. Look at the question number 4 now. The question is like a plane is flying at a height of 5000 meter above the sea level. 5000 meter above the sea level. Suppose this is the sea level. This is the sea level. A plane, this is a plane. This is a plane. Flies at a height of 5000 meter above the sea level. 5000 meter above the sea level. Am I right? At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine flowing 1200 meter below the sea level. So it is the sea level. Then at the exact down, that is 1200 meter. That means 1200 meter means what? From here to here. It is sea level. From here to here 5000 meter. From here to here 1200 meter. It is exactly above a submarine flowing 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Am I right? So height of the flying plane is what? Height of the flying plane. Height of the flying plane, that is equal to how much meter dear? 5000 meter. Then the depth of the submarine flows. Depth of the submarine is 1200 meter. 1200 meter. That means here depth, it indicates the down. So it will be minus 1200 meter. It is positive, it is negative dear. Am I right? Yes. Now what is the question for you? Distance between them. What is the vertical distance between them? So distance between them is equal to, how will you find the difference between the two integers? Greatest integer minus smallest integer. Here what is the greatest integer? Greatest integer is 5000 minus of minus 1200. It is nothing but 5000 minus into minus is its additive inverse of minus 1200, that is plus 1200, which is equal to 6200 meter. This is the vertical distance between the plane and submarine. I hope you understand this question. Shall we move to the next question dear? Yeah. Look at the question number 5 now. That Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in a bank account and withdraw rupees 1642 from it in the next day. So initially he deposits rupees how much? 2000. Initially he deposits rupees how much? 2000. The deposited amount will be indicated by the positive, and then amount whatever you withdraw, that is indicated as a negative integer. That is a negative integer. Are you getting dear? Yes. Now come to the question now. Mohan deposits rupees 1200. It is question number 5. Am I right? Now that amount deposited is indicated. Amount deposited will be represented or indicated, will be represented by positive integer, and amount withdraw will be indicated by negative integer. Amount withdrawn will be indicated by negative integer. Indicated by negative integer. Now come to the question here. Now what is the given question? Mohan deposits, how much he deposits? Yes, 1200. Then amount deposited will be represented by positive integer. So how much he deposited? That is 2000 he deposited. Then it will be rupees 2000. And then he withdraws rupees 1642. Am I right here? Then it will be negative. Now what is the question for you? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. That is, that balance amount in Mohan's account after withdrawal. Mohan's account after withdrawal. Here how much he withdraws? He withdraws rupees 1642, that is minus 1642. Because he withdraws, that's what it indicates as a negative integer. Am I right here? Yes. Now balance amount in Mohan's account after withdrawal. After withdrawal. That is how much dear? Rupees 2000 minus rupees 1642. 1642. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. Am I right here? So what is the remaining amount in his account? Rupees 358 in his account after withdraw rupees 1642 from his account. Are you getting clear? Yes, it's enough for today. Then tomorrow we will continue the rest of the questions. Thank you everybody. Thank you.